we're gonna show you how to change your serpentine belt on a 3rd gen 2002 to 2008 Ram 1500 with the 5.7 liter Hemi. And let's get into the tools you're gonna need and what you're gonna wanna do. A new belt, I got this one from O'Reilly's. Here we have a serpentine belt remover. And this is just for the tensioner. The first step, you're gonna take your tool and you'll stick it in the square hole that's on the tensioner. You'll twist it to the right, it'll relieve it. Work the belt off, take the belt all the way off, and then you should be able to let go of the tensioner. All right, guys, now that you have your belt off, you'll see serpentine belt has been messing up, squeaking. You notice your bolts aren't right, maybe your AC is not working. You're gonna look for any cracks on the belt, and this can come just from wear or excessive heat. You're gonna look for a really worn out belt. It looks thinner than a new one. That's called glazing. That just happens because it's going over these tracks and these pulleys over and over and over. If it's misaligned, this can happen if you hit like a big pothole or just the belt becomes worn. If it's misaligned really bad, it might just pop off on its own. Build up in the grooves on the underside of the belt or just material wearing off the rubber belt. And after you install your new one, these things can happen if you don't install it right. So just be really careful. Make sure you have it all in the grooves. Make sure nothing's going on. And here's the video. We'll walk through the diagram of how you should do it. Here's what worked for us. So you're going to go first on your AC down. We put it down around this one and then just kind of left the slack above the alternator. We didn't go down here. We went down from the AC down to the power steering pump, up to the water pump. And this is your first smooth one on this side. Then down to the crank, ridges to ridge. And then up on this smooth one, then back up to the tensioner. And then at this point, it's going to be pretty tight. So you're going to have to put your 3/8 ratchet, your tool back in, and then turn to the right a little bit and get it around the alternator. That's how we did it. It worked good, and it's on there great. And here's what it should look like after you're done. You see it's on there nice. No squeaking, no nothing. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and go check out our other videos. You can subscribe here or check out our videos here, and we'll see you guys next time.